Hey guys, it's Wade Mitchell with Mitchell Property Group. And if you have a house that you need to sell, I'd like to make you two offers. The first offer is I would like to make you a cash offer to buy it directly from you. This is a really good option if your house needs some work, if you need to sell your house quick, maybe you found another house that you want to buy but you need to sell your current house first. This is a great option. You get to pick your closing date and there's never a rush to move out. So for a lot of people, that's a really big deal. If your house is in good condition and you're not in a hurry to sell, we would like to list your house for you. We can help you get top dollar for it. Besides being investors, we're also realtors. We're really good realtors because we started out as investors. There's a big difference. So either way, if you have a house that you need to sell, we would like to talk to you. We'd like to give you both offers and then let you look and see which one fits best for you and your situation. So you can click on my website, it's in the description below, or the best thing to do, the old-fashioned way, is just pick up the phone and give us a call, 806-359-7653. Thank you.